Let's talk about marketing. Marketing by service professionals. I'm a lawyer, so I offer my services for sale. And as a lawyer, most of us are not taught to market in law school, and we don't know how to do it. And it's a big enigma, an enigma to us. It's a black hole. It's a big question mark. And we're lawyers. We don't like not knowing the answers. So we say we don't have time to market. We say we're too busy to market. What we really mean is we don't know how to market, and we don't want to take the time to find out. But I had 3 huge wins last week. I signed 3 collaborative divorce clients in 2 days, which is, for me, a collaborative divorce attorney, selling a service that very few people have ever heard of. That is a huge win. So the question is, how did I do that? And I can tell you very simply that I learned a while ago that people learn in different ways. We lawyers, we're all verbal. We're the written word, we're the spoken word. It's all verbal. But other people learn visually, they learn auditorially, they learn kinesthetically, tactilely, with their different senses other than the ones that we as lawyers tend to rely on. Lawyers have a proclivity for the verbal. That's why we went to law school. We forget that the rest of the population has a much higher percentage of people who are, among other things, visual learners. And let me add that because I sell divorces for a living, the people who come to see me are in high distress, which is, I'm sorry to say, it's often the case when you go to a lawyer. Who the heck wants to go see a lawyer? It's very rare that you actually want to be there. So they're under stress, and they will learn better visually. So in order to market my services, I've created posters. And what happens is people come in to see me, they come to consult with me, and I walk them through their choices using the posters so that they can understand it much better. And in fact, I've had consults ask me for a copy of my poster, which I give them, 8.5 by 11, to take back to their spouse to explain the choices to their spouse, which may seem kind of odd to you, but yes, in fact, a lot of divorcing couples still talk to each other, and we can maximize our marketing efforts by taking advantage of that information. But the bottom line is, one of those 3 clients, I signed 2 of them myself. One of them was sold by a gal who came to work for me 2 weeks ago. She hasn't been trained collaboratively, but she has passed the bar, and she did this consultation and convinced the woman that the collaborative option would be best for her and her husband. She went back and convinced her husband. So we, in fact, signed 3 collaborative divorce clients in 2 days, which is a huge win for my firm. And it's all because of marketing. I have the solution. After 5 years, I have created that step-by-step marketing pro forma, and I've made it very, very accessible to any service professional. You can buy the book, From Rookie to Rainmaker. The book walks you through everything that you need to do. That's kind of the hard way. You can come to the workshop. In 2 days, I will create the tools with you in the room, in the incubator, with the other folks, creating your own personal tools to begin with. Or you can buy the From Rookie to Rainmaker toolkit. In that, I've actually got the week-by-week, step-by-step program to creating your own marketing tools and to making those tools second nature to you. Marketing will be like breathing. If you're not sleeping, you're marketing. If you're eating, you're marketing. If you're breathing, you're marketing. If you're sitting on the line at Sam's Club to return an item, you're marketing. You will be marketing all the time because it becomes second nature to you. So go to my website, jorynjenkins.com. You can find the toolkit for sale there. I'll see you there.